Platinum. Platinum is a dense, stable, and rare metal that is often used in jewelry for its attractive silver-like appearance as well as in medical, electronic, and chemical applications due to its various and unique chemical and physical properties. Platinum is more than 10 times rarer than gold. Total annual mine supply of platinum is around 250 metric tons. The vast majority of platinum production in the world comes from South Africa and Russia. Platinum is silver white. It was once known as white gold, and it has a number of useful properties which explains its application in a wide range of industries. It is extremely resistant to tarnishing and corrosion, which makes it known as a noble metal, and is very soft and malleable, making it easy to shape. It is also ductile, making it easy to stretch into wire, and unreactive, which means it does not oxidize and is unaffected by common acids. Platinum is one of the transition metals, a group that includes gold, silver, copper, and titanium, and most of the elements in the middle of the periodic table. The atomic structure of these metals means they can bond easily with other elements. Platinum is commonly known for being used in the manufacturing of jewelry, but its main applications spread to catalytic converters, electrical contacts, pacemakers, drugs, and magnets. About 50% of cancer therapy patients currently use platinum-containing drugs, and some of these drugs, such as cisplatin, are also used to treat tumors and cancer in animals. Platinum is considered a biologically compatible metal because it is non-toxic and stable, so it does not react with or negatively affect body tissues. Recent research has also shown platinum to inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. Platinum group metals or PGMs are some of the rarest metals found on Earth. There are two subgroups of PGMs: palladium group platinum group elements and iridium group platinum group elements. The first group consists of platinum, palladium, and rhodium. The second group consists of iridium, osmium, What is the stamp on platinum? Historically in the UK, the fineness stamp is contained in a 5-sided shape. This will be a number which denotes the purity of the platinum. This clearly differentiates it from gold and silver, which use other shaped hallmarks. In 1972, the UK became a signatory of the International Convention of Hallmarks. Member countries of the convention recognize each other hallmarks. The conference introduced the Common Control Mark (CCM). The CCM stamp for platinum is the balance scales with the fineness or parts per thousand in a diamond shape. Both CCM and traditional UK marks are currently